Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. My name is Jena Tungo. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I did this easy bridal hairstyle on my short natural hair. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly don't forget to subscribe and also leave your comment in the comment section down below. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by parting my hair from ear to ear, exactly as you can see in the video. And then after that, I'll just go ahead and take my hair tie and just secure the front section of my hair, because you're going to start working with the back section. So yeah, and as you watch this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and also your comments are very much welcome. You can comment down below. Okay, so I'll be working with two gels, that is the Eco Styler gel and the molding gel wax. I'll go ahead and take the Eco Styler gel, and then I'll start applying on the back section of my hair, the section that we divided. So I'm going to start with the back, and I'm just applying the Eco Styler, just making sure it is, distributed in my hair. And then guys, as you can see, the consistency of the gel wax is actually thicker compared to the Eco Styler, so it really makes your hair to like you'll not have any flyaways, especially how it is very hard working with the when your hair is like short. So I normally go in my the wax gel just to ensure that I don't have any flyaways. And yeah, so guys, after that, I'll just take my Bristol brush, and then I'll just go over and start smoothing my hair by brushing it. And then once I'm done, guys, I'll just take my hair tie and hold my hair together, guys. So guys, if your hair is thicker than mine, consider working in small section. That's the only way you can get your hair like to slick down and to look neat. Okay, working in section really helps your hair to, like lay flat. So yeah. And again, guys, just to let you know, you can just use any gel of your choice, the gel that works best for you. So guys, after I'm done with the back section now, I'll just go ahead and just start working on the front section of my hair. So here I am, guys, just section my hair, and I'm going to do like a side part, okay? And then once I'm done, guys, I'll just go in again with my gel wax and just go in between where I did the line, just to make sure that I get my line to be smooth and all that. And then after that, guys, I'll just take my rattle comb and go in again, just to make sure my part is like smooth and all that, guys. Okay, so I realized this line was kind of deep, okay, and I didn't want to be this deep or something, so I just went ahead and reduced the line, as you all can see in the video. And then yes, I was comfortable with this part. Okay, so guys, here I am just going in my with my Eco Styler gel, okay, and I'm just using my fingers to mold my hair into place, just making sure that the gel is like distributed all over my hair, because like I said, guys, working with short hair is very hard. Okay, so that's why you'll see me going in with some gel, and go in again with my Bristol brush, just to make sure that I don't have any bumps along along the way. Okay, and it really helps in smoothing your hair. If you want that smooth finish, this Bristol brush is to go for, I'm telling you, guys. So I'll go in again doing the same technique on this other side of my hair, going in with my Eco Styler gel, then applying it on my hair, and I'm using my fingers to like distribute the gel, just molding my hair, to make sure that the gel is like evenly distributed in my hair, guys. So it is as simple as you can see in the video. And this technique is very suitable if you have short hair, because you want to make sure that your hair is like lay flat. So consider working in section. Okay, that's the only way you can get your hair to like sleek nicely. So now I'll go in with my afro comb, as you can see in the video, guys, and I'm just combing through my hair, And again guys, to make sure that the gel is is really distributed in my hair. Okay, and after I'm done, I will go in again with my bristle brush and just to smoothen my hair, just to make sure that you don't have any bumps. Okay, you want your hair to be like a smooth and all that. So here I am, just uh, brushing my hair down, and I'm going to do the same thing on this other side of my hair. And yes guys, this will be it, so continue watching. And yeah. So I'll go in and take my hair scrunchie or my hair tie, and just to make sure that I hold my hair in place. And again, I'll go in with the two hair ties. Okay, so this is the first one that I'm going to use to like tie my hair into place, and then I'm going to take another one and secure it. And yeah. And guys, like I said earlier, you go with the gel that works best with your hair, okay? Because we have different gels and they tend to work differently with our hair type. So you use the gel that works best with you. So guys, this is how my back section of my hair looks like. Okay, as you can see, my hair is like really slick down, and I really love how this gel has like worked for my hair. So I'll just go ahead and I use my scarf just to tie my hair, just to make sure that it dries, and it will also make sure that my hair is like nice and laid down. So I'm going to be using this red scarf, and then I'll go in with another scarf and just tie my hair and allow it to dry. And yeah, this is how I applied my gel. So just keep on watching and see how I style my hair, guys. So guys, this is about an hour, and I'm just removing the scarf, and let us just see what you have. And to be honest with you all, I just love how this hair turned out. Like it's really sleek, and I just love how my hair turned out, guys. And you'll see how it is looking like. And oh, look at that. And for the extension, I'll be using Afro Twist Bulk, and this hair comes four in a bundle, and I use 3 bundles to create my extension. So guys, I'll be using this hair padding, and this is what I made. Okay, and that is how it is looking like, guys. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and start stretching this hair, because again, I want it to look natural. Okay, I don't want some blunt ends. Okay, so after stretching it out, guys, I'll just go ahead and take my hair scrunchie, and I'm going to secure it like so. You'll see me doing that. So here I am just securing the hair, and then I'm going to hold like as you can see in the video, guys. So this is how you secure your hair. And then guys, after that, I'll just go ahead and secure this hair onto my bun. Okay, and I'm going to hold it upside down, guys. Okay, so you want to hold it like so, and then here I am just securing the hair onto my bun, guys. Okay, so yeah. After which, guys, I'll just go ahead and I take a smaller section. Okay, I'll just take a smaller section of this hair, and then I'll just go in and wrap my hair just to make sure that it is secured enough. Okay guys, so at this point is when you'll be needing bobby pins, so make sure you have like enough bobby pins, okay, because at this point you'll be needing them a lot. So make sure you have enough bobby pins with you. So here I am, guys, just securing my hair and wrapping my hair. And then after that, guys, I just go ahead and take a bobby pin just to make sure it is nice and secured. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'll just go ahead and hold my hair like so, just making sure that it is nice and secured. And then after that, guys, I'll just go ahead and take my hair padding and place it under my hair, okay, under this extension that is, and then I'm going to roll it like so. So like guys, I told you at this point you need to have bobby pins, like make sure you have enough because you want to again just make sure that your hair is nice and secured and all that, okay. So I'm just covering my hair padding with this extension, okay, again because you don't want it to be like seen, so you want to make sure you cover it very very well. And then as you do that, go in again with some bobby pins just to secure it, and you don't want it to fall, like you don't want to be walking then it just fall from nowhere. So make sure you use as much bobby pins as you can to make sure that your hair is like nice and secured. Okay, so I'm going in with the same extension and I'm going to hold it like so, and then I'm going to attach it onto my hair just like as you can see in the video. And then guys, after that I'll go ahead and take my bobby pin and just secure it just to make sure it is nice, like it doesn't move at all. Okay guys, so after I'm done, I'll take another bobby pin and secure my hair. So at this point you want to make sure that your hair doesn't move, okay, so you need to make sure it is nice and secured. So I'm going in with another bobby pin and securing my hair. And then guys, after that I'll take this longer side of this hair and then I'm going to flip it like you can see in the video. It is easy, right? So please don't forget to comment down below and let me know how you think about this hairstyle, guys, because I just want to hear it from you. And yeah, so guys, here I am just continuing securing my hair to make sure it is nice and it doesn't move, okay. Okay, so once I'm done, guys, I'll just go ahead and take this hair and then I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to secure it at the back section and I'll be doing that with some bobby pins. So that's why I told you earlier that you need to have as many bobby pins as you can, guys, because this is where you'll be needing them a lot. Okay, so guys, after that I'll be using these bridal pins just to add some, you know, just to spice up this look. And I bought this at Dubois and each retail for 70 Kenya shillings. And yeah guys, this is how I install this hair. And thank you all so much for keeping me company. I will see you in my next video. So bye for now and take care. And again, don't forget to subscribe, to leave your comments in the comment section down below. And yeah guys, so this was it. This is how I installed this hair. It was easy, right? So comment down below and let me know how you think.